Mergers and acquisitions are like icebergs. We see the tip, the financial details, the new leadership. But hidden below the surface is something vast and dangerous: company culture. Culture is the personality of a company. It's how things get done. It's the values and beliefs that guide employees. When two companies merge, their cultures collide. If those cultures clash, the merger can sink. A staggering 70 to 90% of mergers and acquisitions fail to deliver the expected value. Cultural clashes are a major reason why. Remember the merger of Daimler and Chrysler? On paper it looked good. In reality it was a disaster. The German and American cultures clashed. Communication broke down. The merger ultimately failed. AOL and Time Warner are another cautionary tale. These two giants of media merged at the height of the dot-com boom, but their cultures were worlds apart. The merger ultimately led to massive losses and a painful separation. Organizational culture is more than just perks and office layouts. It's about shared values, unspoken rules, and communication styles. It's the way decisions are made. It's how employees interact with each other and with customers. When cultures clash, morale plummets, productivity suffers, employees feel uncertain and demotivated. This directly impacts the bottom line. In fact, 30% of executives blame failed deals on cultural differences. Companies with strong cultural alignment are 30% more likely to retain their best people. They also report higher employee engagement. Effective cultural integration can lead to a 7% increase in engagement and 26% higher synergy realization. In short, aligning cultures is good for business. Before any merger, it's essential to assess cultural fit. Think of it like a compatibility test for companies. This process is called cultural due diligence. It involves understanding the values, beliefs, and behaviors of both organizations. Several tools can help with this assessment. Surveys can uncover shared values and potential conflicts. Interviews with employees at all levels provide valuable insights. Focus groups allow for open discussions about cultural differences. Open communication is key throughout the process. Transparency builds trust. Address concerns head-on. The goal is to identify potential clashes before they become major problems. There is no one-size-fits-all approach to cultural integration. Every merger is unique. The key is to develop a tailored strategy that respects both cultures. Start by establishing a shared vision and set of values for the new entity. This provides a common ground for everyone to work towards. Create cross-functional integration teams with members from both organizations. This fosters collaboration and understanding. Develop clear communication plans. Keep employees informed throughout the process. Address their concerns and anxieties. Provide cultural sensitivity training to promote mutual understanding and respect. Remember the Disney-Pixar merger? Disney recognized the unique culture of Pixar and gave them creative autonomy. This mutual respect was vital to the merger's success. Cultural integration is not about erasing differences. It's about leveraging those differences to create something stronger and more vibrant. When cultures align, the merged entity can achieve more than either company could alone.